Well, in this video I'm going to show how you can tile a material instance. Create a third-person project with starter content. I'm going to name mine Tile Mat Inst and create project. I'm using Unreal Engine version 4.26, but you can probably use any version you want. I'm under starter content textures, and I'm going to search for cobblestone rough. This is cobblestone rough D, and this is cobblestone rough N. And I'm going to drag in cobblestone rough D, and that's going to create a material automatically. And I need this material to finish compiling the shaders, and then I'll come back. Now I'm going to show you what the cobblestone rough mat material looks like. I need to let this finish compiling, and then I'll continue. Okay, this texture is cobblestone rough D that it put into the base color, and this texture is cobblestone rough N that it put into the normal. Now I'm going to show what the material looks like on the floor. So you can see that the material looks like the tiles are too large. So I'm going to show you how to fix this. This is the cobblestone rough material, and I added these nodes, and I connected this to UV and this one to UV because we want to tile both these textures. And these are parameters, U tiling and V tiling, and you can name those parameters anything you want. Doesn't make any difference. I'm going to close this. Now right click on cobblestone rough mat and create material instance. And that creates cobblestone rough mat inst. Now drag cobblestone rough mat inst onto the floor, and that will replace this material element with cobblestone rough mat inst. Now double click on cobblestone rough mat inst, and I'll expand this and check the parameters U tiling and V tiling. Now I'll reduce the size of this so you can see. Now you can change these to different values, and it will change the size of the tiling. And you can just experiment with whatever values you want so you get the size that you like. And then when you're done, you can save this and close this out, and that's it.